विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, चॅप्टर नंबर 3 मोशन इन प्ले च्या अगोदरच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण ग्राफिकल मेथड और मोशन इन ग्राफ. First type is position time graph and second is velocity time graph. Using this velocity time graph, we study the motion of object. If we take two-dimensional coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis, and origin 0, 0, and the time along x-axis and velocity along y-axis, such a graph is called velocity time graph. In velocity time graph, there is 4 different types. First, object moving with constant velocity. Object moving with constant velocity. Then what is the nature of motion in terms of graph? Suppose this is figure A. If velocity is constant, suppose this is velocity graph, this is velocity v0 is constant if time is changes. The nature of graph is straight line parallel to time axis. Suppose this is time interval t1, this time interval t2. This shaded area or shaded portion gives the displacement of particle from time interval t1 to t2. Now in figure A shows that when object moving with constant velocity, its acceleration, if object moving with constant velocity, first its acceleration will be 0 or acceleration or object attain 0 acceleration. जर पार्टिकल किंवा ऑब्जेक्टला कॉन्स्टंट व्हेलॉसिटी असेल, एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट कॉन्स्टंट व्हेलॉसिटीने जात असेल तर त्या ऑब्जेक्टचं ॲक्सेलरेशन हे 0 असतं किंवा ऑब्जेक्टला 0 ॲक्सेलरेशन असतं. And the nature of graph is a straight line parallel to time axis or x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Then this shaded area, suppose we A, B, C, D. A, this is shaded area gives the displacement of particle or object, displacement of object with time interval t1 to constant velocity. Number one, its acceleration is 0. Number two, the nature of graph is a straight line parallel to time axis. And number three is very important, this shaded area ABCD gives the total displacement of object with time interval t1 to t. Now second type, which is graph number 1, then graph number 2. The object moving with velocity along positive x-axis, with uniform acceleration. Object moving with velocity along positive x-axis with uniform acceleration in the same direction. Along the same direction, that is positive x-axis direction. Also, suppose this is, we change figure A to B, आपण A मध्येच थोडा बदल करून त्याला B म्हणणार आहोत. In this case, the acceleration and velocity is in same direction, but acceleration is uniform. Then the nature of graph for this is T1, T2, T1, T2. This is the shaded area. Now, if the object moving with velocity and having uniform acceleration in same direction, that is positive x-axis direction, then the object moving with positive acceleration, the velocity and acceleration is in same direction, that is object moving with positive acceleration, and we get the magnitude of velocity, the shaded area, it gives the magnitude of displacement of time, or T2 to T1 to T2. This shaded area gives the displacement of particle T1 to T2. This is the time intervals. Then in second case, or in second type, the object moving with velocity along positive x-axis direction and having uniform acceleration is along positive x-axis direction, then the object is moving with positive acceleration and the velocity of object, second point, the velocity of object is uniformly increases. Uniformly increases with time. With time. And third point is the nature of graph or nature of this shaded portion. This shaded portion gives the displacement of object with time interval t1 to, this is about the second graph or big graph. Now we consider third type of this velocity time graph. Third type of velocity time graph is the object moving with velocity with negative uniform acceleration. Negative uniform acceleration. Then the motion of that object in graphical method or in graphical method, the motion of object will be same, but in this case acceleration is negative, that is velocity is decreases. Now we construct the graph. X-axis, y-axis, origin is time and velocity. Along y-axis, velocity. If the object moving with negative acceleration, that is velocity decreases. The first topic, or first point, the object moving with negative uniform velocity, acceleration, particle ला किंवा ऑब्जेक्ट ला निगेटिव्ह acceleration आहे, तर रिटार्डेशन म्हणतो आपण. acceleration निगेटिव्ह दिशेला, याचा अर्थ velocity decreases with time. म्हणजे ऑब्जेक्टची velocity कमी होत असते. जर ऑब्जेक्टला निगेटिव्ह acceleration आहे, याचाच अर्थ ऑब्जेक्टची velocity ही कमी होते. म्हणून आपण काय केलं, वेलोसिटी कमी होताना मग जर आपण ग्राफ घेतला, सपोज दिस इज v1 v2 t1 t2, this is the shaded area. Now in case of object moving with negative uniform acceleration, the first top point, the velocity of object is decreases with time, and second, the shaded area also represent the displacement of particle. Displacement of particle or object at time interval t1 to हा जो सेट केलेला भाग आहे, हा म्हणजे काय, पार्टिकलचं विस्थापन. पार्टिकलने जागा बदलली, कुठपर्यंत गेलाय, ह्या ठिकाणावर इथपर्यंत गेलाय. पार्टिकलने जागा चेंज केली, म्हणजे t1 पासून t2 हा एवढा एरिया कन्स्ट्रक्ट केला, कव्हर केला. हे टोटल डिस्टन्स कव्हर केलंय, म्हणजेच त्याला आपण डिस्प्लेसमेंट म्हणतो. आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट कुठून कुठपर्यंत झाली, टाइम इंटरवल t1 टू t2. हे टाइम t1 पासून t2 पर्यंत जाऊस्तर पार्टिकलने एवढा एरिया कव्हर केलाय. this is called the total displacement. Now last, that is fourth topic, fourth velocity time graph, that is object moving with non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. That is, acceleration is not uniform, acceleration is changes. That is, acceleration is decreases or acceleration is increases. Now if we change, suppose this is graph C and the last graph, that is graph T, x-axis origin 0, 0, y-axis velocity, time. Now if particle moving with non-uniform acceleration, that is acceleration it changes, that is acceleration decreases or acceleration increases. In graph we show the acceleration is suppose changes. Then this is the velocity, suppose v1 and time t1. This is velocity v2 and time suppose t2. And this is the average time interval, that is t0. Suppose this, we take a straight line. This straight line, suppose A to B. Also we take a tangent at that point. This tangent is C to D. Now in figure, suppose D, object moving with non-uniform acceleration, that is acceleration changes. Acceleration may be increases or acceleration may be decreases. This shows that the motion of object is increasing or decreasing acceleration, then the velocity is also changes. And we get the nature of graph is a curve line. We get nature of graph is curve line. And in graph, if we take the straight line AB, this straight line AB gives average acceleration of the object. This straight line AB gives the average acceleration, and tangent CD or line CD gives the instantaneous acceleration of the object. At time interval t1 to t2. In figure, the nature of graph is a curve line. If we take this straight line A to B, this straight line gives the average velocity t from t1 to t2, and this CD, tangent CD gives the instantaneous velocity, instantaneous acceleration at the same point, and both the average and instantaneous acceleration with respect to time interval t1 to t2. This is shown by graph D. All the graph that is A to D, the graph A to D shows area under the curve area, or area under the curve gives the displacement of the particle. Now we consider area under the curve from A to D. Suppose limit t1 to t2, this is time interval, into phi d. This is the velocity, but we know that phi is equal to dx upon dt. Therefore t1 to t2, instead of phi we can write dx upon dt into dt, and this gives dt cancel. Integration t1 to t2 dx, or integration dx area is equal to, or area bounded or shaded area is equal to, integration of dx is x up to limit t1 to t2, or this gives x t2 minus x t1, or this gives x into bracket t2 minus t1. That is, we get the displacement. We get displacement of object or particle. Displacement of object or particle from t1 to टोटल ग्राफ A to B, म्हणजे जे आपण चार ग्राफ पाहिले, A ग्राफ युनिफॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट मूविंग विथ कॉन्स्टंट वेलोसिटी, सेकंड ग्राफ ऑब्जेक्ट मूविंग विथ कॉन्स्टंट वेलोसिटी and constant acceleration, number 3 object moving with same velocity and same acceleration in same direction, and number 4 object moving with non-uniform acceleration. in ह्या चार प्रकारामध्ये 1 2 3 4 मध्ये जे शेडेड एरिया आहे, तो शेडेड एरिया काय दाखवतो? फायनली द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, म्हणजे ऑब्जेक्टची डिस्प्लेसमेंट म्हणजे चेंज द पोझिशन, म्हणजे तो शेडेड एरिया, तो शेड केलेला एरिया आहे, तो काय दाखवतो की डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम टाइम इंटरवल t1 टू t2. म्हणजे प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आपण जे इंटिग्रेशन काढलं, ते इंटिग्रेशन काय मिळालं आपल्याला? डिस्प्लेसमेंट आपल्याला मिळाले पार्टिकलची. म्हणजे पार्टिकल त्याची मोशन कशी असेल तरी आपल्याला शेवटी डिस्प्लेसमेंट मिळाली ड्यूरिंग टाइम इंटरवल t1 टू t2.